Your AI project didn't fail because the tech was bad. It failed because nobody asked one question first. I'm Paul. I help leadership teams turn AI confusion into operational control, which is a polite way of saying I clean up botched AI projects for a living. And I see the exact same pattern every time. The visible damage is obvious, a tool that never quite worked. The hidden damage is the expensive bit. Now, every AI conversation in your business starts with someone folding their arms and going, "We tried this before." Here's what actually went wrong. Nobody sized the problem before they bought the solution. So before you spend a penny, ask one thing: is this a rabbit, a deer, or an elephant sized problem? A rabbit is small and contained. It does not need a six-figure build. If someone's quoting you a six-figure build for a rabbit run, a deer affects a whole workflow. It needs actual planning. And an elephant touches your systems, your people, your risk, your architecture. That's a program, not a plugin. Mix those things up and you get one of three disasters. You overbuy, you underplan, or you build something gorgeous that your team will never ever open. And this is everywhere. In 2026, KPMG found 42% of UK companies have only partial visibility into their AI spending. So how does that translate? Well, nearly half of leadership teams are approving AI they can't actually see working. So here's the shift. Stop treating AI as a tool you buy. Start treating it as a repair job. 3 steps. Here's the free one. You can steal it. Map the workflow before you choose the tech. Number 2, check the data before you trust the output. And number 3, define the human decision that still needs an owner. Then and only then can you decide quick fix, structured rebuild, or a proper strategic program. Do that and the confidence comes back because your team can finally see the logic. Fewer surprises with cleaner handovers. An AI project you can explain in plain English around the board table without flinching. I'm Paul Rhodes at Green Gorilla Automation. We rescue botched AI projects and rebuild them properly. My link is in the bio.